connect TikTok Pixel with Conversion API to Shopify store for specific product and also for specific collection, or add multi TikTok pixels. First of all, we will use this application called Pixelify. You can find it here. It's a good application for add Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest and Snapchat. You can add Facebook multi-pixel like this, or Snapchat multi-pixel, or also TikTok multi-pixel. Just search Pixelify and you will find it. Okay guys, let's install and choose which plan you are comfortable, you are fit for your needs, and you can use it very easy. Okay, first you have to activate the app. Basically, go to Manager Apps, team, customize, go to apps, embed, activate the app. After you set up everything, you activate the app and you choose your plan. Connect new TikTok pixel, set up TikTok pixel, my pixel, and go to your pixel, copy the ID from your ads manager tool and go to events like this, and you will be here. Okay guys, past. Let's add the conversion API. Go to settings, go down, change access token, copy, paste. Here you choose where the pixel file. If you choose collection, only choose in this specific collection. If you choose product, will show only on this specific product you selected. That's it guys. Okay, let's choose a full store. Add. Let's go to our store. As you see, here's the TikTok pixel. Here we go guys. Everything is working. Let's add another pixel to test it more. Okay, let's choose this one. You can add as many as pixels you want. It's very easy, very simple. No headaches, no coding, no nothing. Let's give it. There we go guys. Let's refresh. There are some issue here with the store. I guess the cookies. Let's just come here. Let's delete the cookies guys. To delete the cookies, all you have to do is go here, manager, delete, done, reload. There we go. You see guys, the pixels working. Thank you guys. If you need anything, any help, let me know in the comment. Thank you for the